Welcome to match number 25, played between Team Mantio and versus KCC Royals, where I have on my left Captain Shrikant representing Team Mantio, and on my right Captain Haja representing KCC Royals. Interesting compositions for KCC Royals. They've played two matches. They've won one match and lost one match. And for Team Antio, they want to climb up the ladder and sealing the match with victory. And we've got toss in back. Let's see what the toss unravels to us.
Jaypal. Billa.
Raja, the captain of KCC Royals, will spin the coin. Tails is the call. And tails it is. And the captain will go to his team, reach out. And they have opted to bat first.
Yeah, batting first.
You've got any changes?
Yeah, one change. TPR has just come in. And Nagarjuna is out, Sharath out because of injury.
A lot of changes for you.
Only one change.
Only one change. And I hope you go up with us and win the match because this is your final fifth match of the league stage. All the best. And going to the captain Khajayam, you've lost one match and played and won one match. So how is it going to be for this match?
We will follow with same performance which we performed last match. So our target this time is 150. Again the same target to give for bat to Montio. So let's see how it goes.
You have any changes in your team?
Yeah, there are two changes. We replace batsmen this time. So I hope they will bat well.
That's it. And I thank you for your time. So this is the news from Center where Team Mantio has opted to bat first after winning the toss. Thank you.
Horns with Kevin 11. And it's cut the ball well. And it will be a boundary. Pulls across. And it will be a 4. Save your legs and save your energy. And he'll make the fielder run and he is fumbled. It sits down on one knee. And he whacks it. Look straight after being hit on his chest. He's responding. The type that he would want to restrict somewhere around 150 or 60. For that he'll half tracker. And he's taken off. Making the fielder watch the shot. How takes on again. Go to page number 36 for the cover drive. And it'll be 6. A textbook piece of drive. Could not have been marvelous as this sight was to watch him play that short arm jab. And the ball has passed everyone and will be played with some That's how you play. Just stand and slaps it and will make the fielders chase the ball, making their effort go in vain. And played again well. Will have to chase. Can he chase the ball? No. He does. He'll have to, but the ball's gone to the fence. Slashed it. And yes, innovative. And everything is sweeping. And again, replica. And a fine tickle. And it'll run away for the boundary as well. Hat trick of boundary. Scoop and scooped up for 4. It hits down and confident, and again the wicket falls. And again the second wicket as well. 2 balls, 2 into quick succession. He's on a hat trick. Catches the call. Will catch it from the boundary. Will bring the ball back. Finally gets some wood. And answer. A half tracker. And he's cleaning up. No celebrations. They know. Catches the call and he'll take it comfortably. And is bold. They back straight. They can breathe a little. Finally, something good for the batting team. Down the leg, appeal, and it's been given out. Wide, but the keeper's quick with the glove. He was catch was the call. He did well to dive, but he'll take the flying edge and will fly away to the boundary with a grave loss. Beautiful shot. And will give him, he deserves. Appeal for out. And a slam. Is it going to be? Collects. Cries of catches. But please, someone catch it behind the boundary. It's a 6. It didn't stick in his hand. Appeal for out, and the finger goes up. High in air, Kalyan is the fielder, and it'll be very easy for him. Skied high. It's dangling in air. Can he get it? Yes, he can.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us with the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 25. And firstly, we'd like to begin with thanking our sponsors of the game, Hell Rockers, Foursquare Sports Shop, R11, RR Stones and MSR Tipper Services. Just a quick recap what had happened. The KCC Royals have witnessed the crushing defeat by Team Manteo. They have managed, Team Manteo managed to score the total of 211 and only KCC Royals managed to have the score of 94. They didn't get any better. Things seem to be doom and gloom for them. Here it is, the captain, Khaja, will be presenting the MOM trophy for the man of the match for today, who scored 79 runs of just 38 balls and managed to pick 1 wicket. I call upon Yash to collect his trophy.
आप है ना